lay down on the bench like a fish. 哎，转一下。Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's MC here. Today we're going to talk about another fun topic. You know, China is a big place, and generally it divides it into two parts, Northern China and Southern China. Because of the different regions, different habits, and different culture, there are so many conflict topics in China between the northern part and the southern part. Either in real life or on internet, people will start to disagree with each other. And mostly it's a very fun situation. Let's take a look at these controversial topics today. The first one, Cilantros, 香菜, 香菜. I know probably worldwide this is a controversial item. I've heard it's based on people's different genes, so people have different tastes while they eat cilantros. So some people like it, some people can't bear it. However, in China, I'm not really sure, are these genes based on different area, different regions? Because we found out people from southern China mostly don't like cilantros, but people from northern China love cilantros. 我不吃香菜。老板，再给我上一碗香菜。The second one, 粽子. Dragon Boat Festival, people in China will eat 粽子. So basically, it's sticky rice inside, and with different stuffings. So the question is sweet 粽子taste better or salty 粽子taste better? For this question, people from northern China and southern China have totally different opinions. For example, in my hometown, northern China, I've never had salty 粽子 in my life when I was there. We usually put dates with sticky rice together into the leaves. And when it's done, before we have it, we will put some sugar on top of it. So it's definitely sweet 粽子. However, in southern China, people usually put pork inside, like seasoned pork. So it's salty. On top of that, they will also add egg yolk. If you ever had some Chinese pastry or bakery, you'll probably know egg yolk is so popular in Chinese food, especially those from southern China. So 粽子 from southern China is salty. 粽子当然是咸的呀，咸肉粽和咸蛋黄超级好吃。粽子怎么会是咸的呢？粽子肯定是甜的呀，还要放糖的。咸粽子能吃吗？还放肉进去，太奇怪了。The next one, 豆腐脑 or 豆花. It's made by tofu, but it's a lot softer and smooth than tofu. It tastes like pudding but in different flavors. And I think this is probably the biggest controversial topic. Should 豆花 be salty or sweet?
请问豆花是甜的还是咸的？
豆花当然是甜的呀，豆花不是甜品吗？往上面撒白糖的呀。
请问豆花是甜的还是咸的？
豆花？你说的是豆腐脑吧？豆腐脑当然是咸的呀，往上面放卤子的，还要放香菜，还要放榨菜。甜的也太诡异了吧。Personally, I never had a sweet 豆花 in my life until now. So still, I haven't got it. Alright, the next one, 搓澡. And this is a 搓澡巾. So what is this for? It is used during shower or bath. It has a rough surface. After in a shower for a while, you just use this to scrub your skin to remove the dead skins. So you will get dirt out of your body. So can you guess which part of China this comes from? Oh, come on. Haven't I told you I'm from northern China? Otherwise, why would I have this? Because a lot of people from southern China have never seen this before. I'm not sure what causes the difference. Is it the weather? Is it environment? Because it's colder in northern China and people will take less showers than people from southern China. I mean, in old times. Environmentally, I guess northern China is away from water. There's a lot of dirt, versus in southern China, it's more moisture, so not so many dirt in the air, so people don't need it. One thing I really want to talk about is the shower or bath culture in northern China. It's called 洗澡文化. 洗澡 meaning taking a shower or taking a bath. So it's actually a big part of the culture in northern China. People will use 洗澡 as a way to socialize. You're probably confused. Let me explain to you. The situation will be like this. 哎喂，周末去逛街吗？逛完街去洗澡。哎喂，明天有空吗？咱们去吃饭呀。吃完饭去洗澡。喂，下班有空吗？咱们去洗澡呀。People will get a lot of invitation to go shower or go bathing together. Yes, together. Okay, let's explain the together first. I still remember when I was in college, so my classmates from southern China were so not used to the showering situation because in the whole campus, there's only one showering place. Of course, it's gender divided. These shower places are so big. So imagine it, in these big open places, you will see a lot of shower heads. It's different than the one in your gym because the one in China, there are not dividers. Like it's widely open. Everyone can see each other. So basically, you will see a lot of nude body. I'm going to stop describing from here. Give you some space to imagine. All sort of feelings happening in a shower. And now you might wondering, how is the socializing happening? Well, let's talk about the process. So the showering place is called 澡堂. 澡堂 usually it's built on its own or it's built within a hotel. So I'll just take ladies for example. A few ladies go to 澡堂 together. First thing, they might get a room based on how well the 澡堂 is. If there's no room, you can have a common changing area and change your clothes to a pajama they provided to you. And also you will get a towel. So you just bring the towel, wearing the pajama, go from the hotel room to the showering place. When the ladies get there, they will take off all the clothes and go inside to this showering place. And they will take showering and they will go to sauna, 汗蒸房. Then they will go to this station for 搓澡. There are staffs who will help you to clean your body with this 搓澡巾. So basically, they will just lay down on the bench. It's like a massage bench. They will lay down on the bench like a fish. So they will help them to 搓澡 from the neck to the feet, from one side to the other. 哎，转一下，好。So in northern China, people will evaluate whether you get yourself cleaned by seeing whether you can still get dirt from yourself. If not, then you're good. If you want a massage or spa, you can get a milky or honey or other type of spa. Then what's next? Well, during this process, there may be a line people will waiting for getting 搓澡. During this time, you might wash your hair, face, etc. by yourself. So after you finish showering, it's time to get a real massage or a foot massage. So they will wear the pajama again. They might go back to their room where there is a common place for getting massage. And that's when they have water, fruits, snacks provided. And that's a good time to talk with your friends, to socialize. See, the 洗澡 process is a really long story. It takes at least 2 hours. So people will prefer to go with their friends, to talk, to gossip, to entertain together, and to relax. After all this, you can choose to stay, to take a nap in your room, etc. So it's very popular in northern China for both genders, probably because it's cold a lot of times and the showering, bath are comfortable. and warm. So now you might ask, what's the situation in southern China then? Well, it's probably the same as yours. Just stay at home, do your thing in private, and they never seen this before. I still remember my roommate in college. The first time she saw the rest of us were using this during the shower, she was like, 你在干嘛？那是什么东西？搓澡巾啊，搓澡巾搓澡啊，给你试试。咦，好疼啊！ However, after 4 years, 叮叮叮叮叮叮叮，哎，来，我给你搓背。咔咔咔咔咔咔。好了，谢谢。来，我给你搓背。咔咔咔咔咔咔咔。There's no stuff to help you clean at school because that's too luxury. Wow, I didn't expect 洗澡文化 would take so long. I guess we'll stop here today and save the rest for our next episode. So you know what to do, right? Subscribe so you won't miss it. Give it a thumbs up if you're enjoying today's content. If you know any other controversial topics between Northern China and Southern China, leave it in the comments, share with us. More Chinese culture related videos are in my Chinese culture playlist. Check it out. I will see you next time. Later.